In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a chat conversation in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or removing sensitive information, clearing chat history is a helpful way to keep your Teams application organized and clutter-free. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. You can do this by locating the Teams icon on your desktop or by searching for it in your applications. Once you've clicked on the icon, the application will open, bringing you to the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all your teams and channels on the left pane. Next, look for the chat icon in the sidebar. This icon typically looks like a speech bubble and is located just beneath the activity icon. Click on the chat icon to open up your recent chats. This will not only display individual chats but also any group conversations you've been part of. Once your list of chats appears, scroll through and find the specific conversation that you'd like to delete. This step is crucial because once you delete a chat, you won't be able to recover it easily. So, ensure this is the conversation you don't need anymore. Click on the chat to open it in the main window, and you'll see the entire chat history displayed in chronological order. Now, you might notice that Microsoft Teams doesn't allow you to delete entire conversations outright. Instead, you can hide them from view. To do this, hover over the conversation in the left pane. Beside the participant's name, you'll notice 3 horizontal dots, often referred to as the More menu. Click on these dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you should see an option labeled Hide. Select this option to hide the chat from your list. Although this action doesn't delete the conversation permanently, it effectively removes it from your chat list for a cleaner view. If you want to delete specific messages within a chat, you can easily do so. Open the chat and locate the message you wish to delete. Hover over the message, and you'll see a small More Options icon appear. Click on this icon and select Delete. This will remove that individual message from the conversation for both you and the recipient if you have permission to do so. To check if your chat is hidden and to view it again, return to the Chat tab. Click on the More Options menu again next to the Chat section. Here, you'll see an option called Hidden Chats. Click to reveal chats that you've hidden if you need to revisit any conversation. And there you have it. While Microsoft Teams doesn't allow for the complete deletion of entire chats, hiding them or removing specific messages helps keep your chat history manageable. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more handy tutorials like this one.